Welcome. This presentation outlines the master plan for Sasalu Railway Yard, located in the Mysore division of South Western Railway. The plan highlights the current infrastructure, proposed developments, and operational enhancements envisioned for the yard. Let's begin our journey through the future vision for Sasalu. Sasalu is a village located in Holikere Taluk, within the Chitradurg district of Karnataka. The region is strategically significant due to its proximity to iron ore mining zones, which are among the most active in the state. As such, Sasalu serves as a vital node in the transportation of extracted materials by rail. Its development is not only essential for local operations, but also contributes to the larger mineral logistics network in Karnataka. The railway yard at Sasalu is currently equipped with two operational loading lines, Road 4 and Road 5. Road 4 has a loading platform measuring 700 meters, while Road 5 features a platform of 774 meters. This existing infrastructure allows for the loading of 2 iron ore rakes per day. However, this capacity falls short when compared to the volume of iron ore extracted daily from the surrounding mining operations. Further constraints such as congestion on the main railway line make it difficult to increase throughput within the current setup. To address these operational challenges and improve alignment with customer requirements, a yard redevelopment plan has been initiated. The proposed plan includes the construction of 4 new railway lines, out of which 2 will be developed as dedicated loading lines. This expansion will significantly enhance the yard's loading capacity, reduce dependence on mainline traffic, and improve overall efficiency. The upgraded layout has been designed to optimize rail movements, streamline material handling, and ensure that Sasalu remains capable of supporting the region's growing industrial demand. It is a forward-looking solution to current limitations and a necessary step towards sustainable rail logistics in a high-volume mining corridor. Iron ore mining at Sasalu began in 1977. Since 1984, mining companies have relied heavily on railway logistics for transportation of extracted ore. To support this demand, there have been several infrastructural developments over the years, aimed at meeting the evolving needs of mining customers. The loading performance at Sasalu has shown a consistent year-on-year increase, indicating stable demand and operational efficiency. The financial year 2024-25 marked a record performance, with 583 rakes loaded, generating a revenue of over 149 crores. Interestingly, the highest-ever revenue at this station was recorded in the financial year 2017-18. When just 216 rakes were loaded. But due to a sharp surge in export demand, the revenue exceeded 448 crores. The major customers operating out of Sasalu include Vedant Limited, Jindal Steel, and the R. Praveen Chandra Group. The primary outbound destinations from this station include JSW Toranagallu, Mamagoa, Panambur Port, Adani Port at Krishnapattinam, along with Kyarkop, Hagri, Somlapuram, and other key industrial hubs. These trends clearly illustrate the strategic importance of Sasalu as a critical link in the iron ore supply chain across southern India. Sasalu Yard is supported by a range of basic operational infrastructure. Entry and exit points for vehicles, as well as the circulating area pavement, are in good condition. The approach road, however, belongs to the state government and is yet to be developed. Loading and unloading platforms currently exist, though they remain unpaved. There is a mechanized loading system in place, operating with wheel loaders. Operational support infrastructure such as the goods office, TMS room, merchant room, and laborers room are all available and functional. Basic utilities, including water supply and drainage systems, are in place. A toilet facility is planned through the provision of a labor restroom with integrated toilets. High-mast lighting is available to support night operations. However, there is currently no covered shed and the yard is not enclosed by a boundary wall. A sprinkler system has been installed, although reliable water and power supply need to be ensured for consistent operation. Green cover is not yet developed, but the same is proposed to be explored in the future. Overall, while the core functional infrastructure is in place, targeted improvements are essential to enhance safety, environmental compliance, and operating efficiency. The existing system for material handling at Sasalu is fully mechanized and is being managed efficiently by the respective loading parties. Loading operations are conducted using wheel loaders, which are suitable for the current volume and nature of cargo being handled. At present, there are no additional improvements planned in this area. This is because the current infrastructure is functioning optimally, and no enhancements are warranted or required under the existing operational conditions. The focus, therefore, remains on maintaining the system's reliability and ensuring continued performance without disruption. Several environmental control measures are already in place or currently under development at Sasalu Yard. Sprinklers have been installed to suppress dust and maintain air quality in loading and circulation areas. A wheel washing plant has been constructed. The civil work is complete and electrical connections are pending to make it fully operational. Tree plantation efforts are underway, aiming to enhance the site's green cover and contribute to long-term dust and noise mitigation. Additionally, a zinc sheet barricade is being installed to control particulate dispersion. The work is in progress and aligned with safety and environmental standards. At this stage, no further action plans are proposed for these measures, as the current implementations adequately address the identified environmental concerns. All activities mentioned are either already completed or are currently progressing, with appropriate approvals and work processes underway. Speaking about the existing infrastructure at Sasalu railway station, the wharf area consists of two dedicated loading platforms. Road 4, measuring 700 by 18 meters, and Road 5, measuring 774 by 18 meters. These platforms are currently used for iron ore loading and serve as the designated material handling and staging areas. The available infrastructure is adequate for current operations, and no further improvement is required at this stage. As shown here in the images, the wharf area is in active use and fully functional. The approach road facilitates the movement of mining trucks and service vehicles to and from the yard. A significant enhancement to connectivity has been the recent commissioning of a road over bridge, which has eliminated the need for a level crossing gate. This upgrade now ensures seamless and uninterrupted entry and exit of mining trucks, improving both safety and traffic flow. However, beyond the railway boundary, the approach road falls under the jurisdiction of the state government and is currently in a damaged condition. A formal letter has been addressed to the concerned state authorities, requesting urgent repair and restoration of the affected stretch. This intervention is necessary to support heavy vehicle movement and maintain overall operational efficiency at the yard. The yard at Sasalu is equipped with a basic drainage system. However, its performance during heavy rainfall remains a concern. Waterlogging is frequently observed, particularly during the monsoon, which can affect ground operations and movement within the yard. To address this, the proposed action plan includes the use of geotextile drainage layers to improve subsurface water flow and prevent blockage caused by silt and debris. As of now, this improvement is not yet sanctioned or implemented. Moving on to the railway tracks. Currently, 2 tracks are operational at the loading area within Sasalu Yard. An extension of Road 4 by 750 meters is planned to increase operational flexibility and loading efficiency. This work is under execution and is progressing under Plan Head 16 provisions. Additionally, the plan includes the implementation of a vacuum system for regular and effective track cleaning. This will enhance safety and ensure smooth rake movement, particularly in areas prone to iron ore spillage and dust accumulation. These infrastructure upgrades are critical for maintaining reliability, improving operational turnaround, and supporting future loading volumes at Sasalu. A commercial plot of 25,000 square meters, located adjacent to Road 5, has been temporarily allotted to a customer for use as a storage and stacking area. This allocation is valid for a period of 6 months only. Considering the proposed yard remodeling plans that are expected to take shape in the near future, there is a recognized need for a permanent commercial storage area to support additional stacking, streamline loading operations, and handle higher cargo volumes more efficiently. As part of long-term planning, the acquisition of additional land will be explored to enhance loading capacity and operational flexibility. This approach ensures that short-term operational needs are addressed, while keeping the larger redevelopment vision in consideration. Currently, minor wagon repairs at Sasalu are handled by staff from Chikkajajuru, which is located 12 kilometers away. On average, this results in a response time of nearly 1 hour, leading to operational delays in cases of minor but urgent wagon damage. To address this gap, it is proposed to establish a carriage and wagon depot directly at Sasalu. This would enable immediate attention to issues such as floor or side body damage, door hinge failures, and channel damages, ensuring minimal disruption to loading operations. The proposal has not yet been sanctioned, but it is operationally justified as Sasalu also serves alternative iron ore loading point for MMEC siding. Regarding the weighbridge facility, an electronic in-motion weighbridge is already available at Sasalu, with an alternate facility at Chitradurg. Under Plan Head 16, the extension of Road 4 by 750 meters is currently underway to ensure weighment operations are conducted without interfering with mainline shunting. An additional EIMWB is proposed at Halyuru, which is currently under review by the mechanical branch. Looking ahead, an AI-based interface for rake load monitoring is also being considered to enhance data accuracy and operational transparency. The extension work is in progress, with a target completion date of 31st August, 2025. At present, a merchant room and a basic labor room exist at the site. To enhance labor welfare, a dedicated restroom has been proposed. It will feature toilets, urinals, a bathing area, seating space, and safe drinking water. As of now, the project is in the proposal stage and has not yet been sanctioned. The planned layout covers a 10 by 5 meter area, with clearly marked sanitation units and a designated water point. Once approved, this facility will significantly improve working conditions for the labor force at Sasalu. At present, there is no dedicated truck parking facility at Sasalu. All trucks, owned by mining companies, are currently parked 15 kilometers away, at a private yard. To ease truck movement near the goods shed, an expansion of the approach road junction near RD5 has been proposed. This will ensure smoother entry and exit of trucks, helping reduce delays, congestion, and safety risks. However, this proposal is yet to be sanctioned. Once approved, the improved road layout will greatly streamline truck flow and enhance the operational efficiency at the goods shed. Currently, the Chief Goods Supervisor's office at Sasalu faces severe space constraints. This makes it difficult to manage key operations, such as FOIS, CCTV monitoring, and record keeping. To resolve this, a new CGS office has been proposed within the goods shed area. This office will be purpose-built to support digital systems, organized documentation, and better supervision. While the proposal is not yet sanctioned, once approved, it will provide staff with a more efficient and organized workspace, improving visibility and overall control of operations. At present, loading and leveling operations in the yard are monitored through a temporary setup. Just to CCTV cameras, placed at the CGSR office, offering basic surveillance. To enhance real-time coordination, one walkie-talkie is also planned for the CGSR, ensuring effective communication with the station master during operations. Looking ahead, a more comprehensive surveillance system is being implemented. The installation of 7 CCTV cameras at the Sasalu goods shed has been sanctioned under the umbrella work for 2024-25. This strategic upgrade, estimated at 19.88 lakhs rupees, was officially handed over to CSTE Project SPC on 15 April 2025. Based on the recommendation of PCSTE SWR UBL. The work is scheduled to be completed by 31st August 2025. Improving the cleanliness and overall upkeep of the goods shed is a key focus area. Firstly, a wagon sweeping contract is currently under process. This will ensure regular and systematic cleaning after each unloading operation. Secondly, it is proposed that an imprest be provided to the CGSR. This would allow for on-the-spot housekeeping, especially around the goods shed and the electronic in-motion weighbridge area. Lastly, it is recommended that zonal maintenance contracts, covering facilities like the merchant room, labor room, and other minor repair, be brought under the administrative control of the senior DCM. This change will enable faster decision-making and improve the timely upkeep of essential infrastructure. Together, these focused interventions, from infrastructure upgrades to better surveillance, efficient office space, and improved housekeeping, reflect a clear vision to transform Sasalu goods shed into a model of operational excellence and safety. These proposals, once implemented, will not only ease daily operations, but also set the stage for long-term, sustainable development of